Hey everyone, this video is just a quick announcement that the Multiplayer Mastery course is live now. You can register at game.courses/MP. We're going to be going through all of the multiplayer fundamentals and then getting into some pretty advanced topics over the next couple weeks. The schedule for this will be really simple for anybody curious. Every other day we're going to have a new lesson covering another very important multiplayer topic, and then we'll have 2 live Q&A calls, one at 9 a.m. Pacific and another at 6 p.m. Pacific. You can attend both or neither, whatever you prefer, or just submit questions via email, and then I'll read them off in the Q&As and you can go back and check them out later. You don't have to attend live, and I really want to make sure that this is set up to maximize or really take into account your time, not waste your time with anything that you don't need to do. So you won't need to do a lot of typing, a lot of extra work. There's optional stuff you can do, but most of it is going to just be information, lecture, learning, and lots of discussion. Come join us for the live discussions, figure out how to build out your own game, and have a lot of fun doing it. And we will also get to meet a lot of other multiplayer game developers. Now, really quickly, what are we going to cover? Well, first, fundamentals, the basics of Unity networking and game networking in general. Then we'll dive into some client-hosted setups. So we're going to do a multiplayer dirt car racing game, kind of like an RC track that you can convert over to be any type of racing game. And then finally, we'll go into an adventure game where you can set up characters that run around, pick up items, battle each other, cast spells, do abilities, and kill NPCs, pick up loot, get back out, and save all of that stuff. You can, of course, customize these to your own desire, or make them however you want afterwards. They're going to be the core of a game, kind of showing you how to build stuff and how to be successful going forward. This should be a lot of fun. Should be very informational, and it's the only time that I plan on doing a multiplayer course like this. So if you're interested in it, make sure that you register as quick as possible. Come join us tomorrow and have lots of fun. See you there.